It's always incredible to come to Sheboygan, visit Rehlko, and see what's happening here, and able to see the B27ix in the hot room, and all sensored up, under load, in really some of the worst case conditions, simulating that machine is going to see, making sure that we have margin, making sure that engine is going to perform well in that B27ix, fuel systems, charging systems, oil, cylinder head temperatures, all the different things that our customers want us to be really diligent around, Rehlko to be diligent around, and so doing that work in the block. And it is their application testing, hot room, cold room, the cells, the different areas that we can utilize to do application-based reviews, durability testing. We're walking into the Death Valley hot room. This hot room is capable of getting up to 130 degrees, running machines on dynos, have walls that can expand this room's capability and size. The B27ix is in here, fully instrumented, hooked up to the dyno. This machine's gonna run at 110 degrees, go through a myriad of different tests, testing fuel, oil, power delivery, charging systems, evaporative emissions, just all kinds of different capabilities in this room, and Rehlko's gonna put it through its paces, make sure that it's a application for the engine that's gonna lead to a lot of success with this machine. As a 10-mile-an-hour machine, 2 fuel tanks, a lot of performance advantage. We're going to 20-inch drive tires, and capable really of running 60-inch class decks at a very high production speed and capability. It's fun to be in this factory, and just bringing back a lot of memories of when we spent time here when this was where the engines were built. That all happens in Hattiesburg, and they're doing great. But being in these walls up in Sheboygan at the engine's headquarters, just really, really fun to be with the team here.